All right, a quick update on Velodrome. So Velodrome, I've been saying this for a long time. It's in a good spot here. The downtrend that was in play, of course, was broken. We're still holding the macro uptrend. So we're going to get this off of the chart just to clean it up a little bit here. But it looks good. It is coming down, but ultimately it's coming back down to the trend. And it's probably going to wick down to the 382 at 6.7. Does it have to? No, it does not, but it very well could. What we can simply do is draw on the chart here, go from low to the high, and right now it's just below or just on the point 0.5 at 7.8 here. It's at 7.7 at the moment. So if it's going to hold up, you can see we do have 7 and then 6.7 down here, but ultimately without picking at the price too much, it is coming down here. So I expect it to hold the trend here, which we can easily adjust. So look for another 13-14% drop here on the price of Velo. But as long as the uptrend holds, it looks good in my opinion. The other thing we can do with Velo here is draw low to the high to see if we're holding any larger levels here. So it looks like it's sitting right below, right on the 618 here. So there is a lot of support in this area with the uptrend. So it's not going to go too low. It'll get a nice bounce at that point, and then at some point it'll start moving up once again. Now, the one other thing you could kind of argue with this thing, it is forming a bullish ascending triangle pattern. Just for the fact that we made a high here, a lower high, a higher high. I've seen this many times. There's just general area here, which let me do this better with a box. This is what we did on Caspa and Arrow and Bonk in the past. So you have this general area here. Let me make this red of resistance that it's getting stuck at, and then you're clearly making higher lows here. So that is a bullish ascending triangle pattern here. So, maybe it bounces around here like this, and then once it gets squeezed in the apex of this pattern, if we were to pull this over like this, once the price gets over here, you can see that puts us maybe in December, January. Maybe that's when this thing's going to decide to go up here, and maybe that's when Bitcoin's going to go up. But just something to kind of look at there and watch. But Velo's good here. I like Velo. I think it's going to perform, that is, very well this cycle. So get in while you can. That is not financial advice. I was just kidding. But the price, where is it going to end up in the 2025 bull run from where it is right now, looking good on the trend and potentially in that very bullish pattern here. We do have our targets here that we're watching. On our chart is the 1618, just under a billion market cap, 833 million. You can see there 98 cents. Maybe it hits $1, but you're looking at about a 12.5, maybe a 13x up to that point. I think that is definitely possible for Velodrome here. And then if it blows through that, my next potential target would be the 3.4 billion market cap, $4, and a decent 53x on this thing. So not bad at all, I'd have to say, on Velo here. So what are your thoughts on Velodrome? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.